In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to build a dynamic, automated progress bar in an interactive PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro and custom JavaScript. We start by opening the document in Form Edit mode. If you look at the field names on the right-hand panel, notice that every single mandatory field is prefixed with rec underscore, like rec underscore company name and rec underscore email. Using a consistent naming convention like rec underscore is essential because our script will automatically detect and loop through every field that shares this specific prefix. Now, let's build the visual elements of the progress bar. Go to the top toolbar, select the text field tool, and draw a wide rectangle near the bottom of the page. Double-click the field to open its properties, name it prog_bg, and check the Read Only box. This empty box serves as the background container for our progress indicator. Next, create a second text field directly over or under the background field. Name this one prog_bar, set it to read only, and close the properties window. We'll add a third text field to display the exact completion percentage text. Draw a smaller box, name it prog_%, and check read only once again. In its properties, under the Options tab, set the text alignment to center and uncheck Scroll Long Text so the percentage value stays clean and readable. Now, select all three newly created progress fields using the Edit Fields menu. Align them precisely over each other and resize them so they match the layout perfectly. With the layout ready, open the properties for prog_%, head over to the Calculate tab, select Custom Calculation Script, and click Edit to launch the JavaScript editor. Here in the script editor, we will write a calculation script that calculates the form's completion rate every time a user edits a field. Save the script, close the JavaScript editor window, click Close on the Field Properties dialog, and click Close Form Editing at the top right to exit layout mode.